So if you want to quickly go ahead and use Google Bard, what you're going to do is you're going to come to Google and you're going to write Google Bard. And it's going to bring you to bard.google.com. And that is exactly what we're going to want to go to. So we're going to go to Bard. It says chat-based AI tool. Now, once you go to Bard, it's going to bring you right here into Bard experimenting. And, as you can see, Bard was just updated. Now you can ask anything of Bard. You can create anything of Bard. Let's say you want to create a social post. So outline my social media post from my network from my summer internship. Let's say you want to add that in. So you're going to click on that. And obviously it's going to generate a whole post for you, which is pretty incredible, right? Then moving on, you can also add in images. And so look at this over here. It's going to create a whole outline for you with a headline, body, call to action, additional tips, and then look at this. It gives you the whole body to work with. You can also ask a coding question. So you can write me a random code in C++. Okay, you can ask it to do that. And once you ask it to do that, it's even going to do that for you. So this is basically how you're going to be using Bard. And look at that. It's going to write me an actual code in C++ that I can add into my program. And it's obviously going to work pretty incredibly. So it says, here's another C++ code that creates a simple guessing game with a twist. This is, a random poem combining creativity and randomness. So pretty incredible. And it also gives you the source where it gets it. So to start things off, what we're going to be doing is, first of all, we're going to come over to canva.com. So I'm going to be showing you how you can, generate images using AI and then how you can implement it into actual designs. Okay. So to start things off, what we are going to do is we're going to come over here to apps. Now, once you go to apps, from here, what's going to happen is you're going to come down here and you're going to click on AI powered. Now, once you click on AI powered, you get tons and tons of generators. You get Dolly, you get Imagine, and all of these different types of things. Now, the best ones are Magic Media and Dolly, so it depends on whichever you want to use. I would suggest going with the Magic Media because obviously that's Canva's very own Magic AI generator, but I'm also going to use Dolly just to give you an idea on how both of these work, okay? So to start things off, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to open this up, okay? And I'm going to open this up in a new design. I'm going to open up a new design and let's give it some Instagram post radiates. So once we do that, I'm going to come to Magic Media as well, just to, get a basic idea on a new design. So again, I'm going to come here, Instagram post. So here we have two Magic AI image generators, Dolly and, Magic Media. So they both work very, similarly. All you're going to need to do is you're going to need to put in a prompt. Now, when it comes to Magic Media, you can use images and you can create videos. It uses Runway to create videos. It's experimental right now, and you have 5 credits, okay? Even in this, you have 50 credits. So basically, after using these 50 credits on photos and 5 credits on videos, you're going to have to, buy Canva Pro. Without that, you won't be able to use it. Dolly, on the other hand, only gives you 3 credits. After that, you have to buy Canva Pro, and that is how you're going to be using Dolly. So I'm going to be using these credits for you guys today and, showing you the full capability of the stuff. So first of all, you have styles and aspect ratio. Which aspect ratio do you want this in? I'm going to keep it in square so it fits well. And then we have styles. So you have photography styles, you have digital art styles, and then you have fine art styles. So let's first of all go with this. I'm going to go with some vibrant styling. And from vibrant styling, it says describe the image that you want and we will generate it for you. You can also, by the way, try an example where it tells you this stuff. The dim lit room with people eating at a table, 18th century. But I'm going to, take that off and I'm going to write my own prompt. So I'm going to go ahead and write 5 people standing on a hill, camera hand at their backs, and obviously we're 5 people standing on a hill, camera panned at their backs, and obviously we're gonna go ahead and add landscape, retro, sunny, city life in front of them, Cadillac beside them. Okay, So that's a very hefty, prompt. So let's go ahead and generate that. Let's see what it gives us. And, you know, let's see where it takes us from. So we're just going to wait for it to generate and I'm going to bring it back to you. So as you can see on the left-hand side, now you have your prompts generated. So you have 4 prompts, this, and this. Now you can see the vibrant vibe from it. It looks pretty cool, right? So I'm gonna bring this one over here just to see how it looks. And look at that. And now if we increase its size, that's the best part about creating an image through AI. You never lose its quality as like even if you make it big. So look at that. City in the bag, it seems retro, gives a very vibrant vibe. Now obviously the faces of the people aren't the greatest. Now the reason for that is because AI doesn't really capture a real life person's face very well. But yeah, you get the main vibe of it and you get 4 variants of it. Plus, you can also change its style from, the style section. So let's say I want it to be neon and I'm going to click on generate it again. So let's say you're trying to make a collage, okay? So just going to keep it like this and I'm just going to increase its size a bit. There we go. So now you can pretty easily create a collage with the other pictures as well. So look at that. It started creating these retro images. So I'm going to add this one over here and look at how cool that looks. Like this is the type of stuff that Canva is good at creating. So I'm just going to match it over here and look at that. So now we have a very retro and cool vibe going on. Then let's go with some concept art. And while we're at this, let's also go ahead and discuss Dolly, okay? So in Dolly, you do the same thing, but in this, there's no style. You're just gonna enter your prompt and they're gonna give it to you. So, let's go ahead and write retro image of, so I'm gonna write retro image of a metal band performing at Woodstock. Woodstock is this performance venue. So I'm just going to go ahead and generate this. All that is being generated. Look at that. So now it's created a concept art and that looks really nice. It looks really cool. I'm just going to add it to my design, make it smaller. There we go. And obviously you're just going to wait for the quality to settle in. It takes a few seconds to load in. And there we go. Now the quality settled in. And finally, what we're going to do is let's change it to Filmic as well. Let's say I want a Filmic font. And while that is going on, look at this. DALL-E has created this for us. Now, DALL-E basically gives you the most realistic pictures, in my opinion. Like after Midjourney and Stable Diffusion, obviously, DALL-E will give you very realistic pictures. So look at this. It actually looks like a band poster. Again, the faces, don't go on them because, it's AI. AI is not the greatest at faces, but you get the retro vibe. And this is actually Woodstock. Woodstock stage did look like this. It's a metal band performing and, pretty cool stuff. And finally, we're over here. We get the filmic vibe. So I'm going to take this. I'm going to add it right here, make it smaller. There we go. And yeah, there we are. So you can see we made this 4-picture collage through AI. We made it through Magic AI. We made it through the Magic Pictures that we just used. And I'm simply going to go ahead and download this. And then you have this as well. And you're going to see that the image quality of these is absolutely out of this world. So yeah, that is how you're going to be using the image AI in Canva. So I hope that was, fun to watch for you. If it was, please do make sure to drop down a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this, let me know down in the comments below and I'll make more for you. Jasper AI tutorial. So in this video, I'm going to be quickly walking you through Jasper AI. So Jasper AI is a co-pilot for different marketing teams. Now Jasper was created for all these marketing platforms, okay? And it was created for sales and CRM and just to make your CRM and sales better. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to be quickly talking to you about what Jasper AI chat does for you and how it's better. So AI chat that feels surprisingly human. You can interact with artificial intelligence that will help you a lot. Okay, and it feels like you're actually talking to a live support member. It's an actual person, an expansive base of knowledge on niche and advanced topic, a familiar design that's accessible and easy to use, and remembers what you said earlier by giving it a better context. You can start a chat with Jasper by asking a question or stating a command, And obviously, you're going to want to make an account with Jasper for this. It gives you a trial. It's going to ask you your credit card and stuff. But after that, look at that. You can use it immediately. And Jasper AI is an amazing AI chatbot tool. It's a good alternative to stuff like ChatGPT and to things like any other chatbots out there. An even better alternative to this is Bing Chat because that's totally free. But you can just use Jasper AI as itself because it was specifically created for marketing. Now, you can actually take Jasper's work and import it to your Jasper documents. And as you can see, you can see the similarities between a Jasper and ChatGPT Plus. So, definitely use Jasper AI, sign up, and start using it right now. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye. How to use Canva Magic Studio. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can use the Canva Magic Studio in the easiest way. So basically what you're going to do is you're going to come over to your canva.com, okay? And we're going to be coming into our design and spotlight. So once you go into your design and spotlight, basically over here, you're going to find your Canva Magic Studio in the right hand side over here. Here it says all the power of AI all in one place. Magic Studio brings together the best AI powered tools for you and your team. So basically what you're going to do is you're going to try Magic Design by just adding some prompts, okay? So basically to get Magic, what you're going to want to do is you are going to want to have Canva Pro because without Canva Pro, you will not be able to use this. And, text to video, text to image, all is going to need Canva Pro. But I will tell you how to use it though. So basically, any item that you want, you're simply, let's say you want to add a magic switch to this, it will transform your content from one genre to another. It can translate any language from one format to another. You can reformat your whole video if you want. Then you have text to video, where you're going to write any text prompt and it's going to make a video out of it. You have text to image, where you're going to write any text and it's going to create an image out of it. You can effortlessly edit your photos, effortlessly edit your images. Magic grab, where you can basically just grab a picture or an element off of an original photo. You can professionally edit someone's clothes, background remover, magic eraser. That's all the components of Magic Studio. And yeah, just get Camera Pro and start using away. So thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye. Midjourney tutorial. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about Midjourney and how you can use this absolutely incredible application called Midjourney. Okay, it's totally AI related, and to start using this, first of all, I'm going to show you the showcase where people have actually shown what they make using Midjourney. And Midjourney is obviously pretty independent. Now, to start using Midjourney, you're going to click on join the beta, where they're going to make you join a Discord server. Okay, Midjourney only works on Discord. So they're going to give you a Discord server where you can go ahead and make things like these. Look at this art. It's absolutely out of this world, isn't it? So what you're going to do is you're going to add prompts for yourself in Midjourney. Okay, so look at these prompts. Now, to make this, what you're going to do, again, Discord, you're going to continue to your Discord where you're going to accept the invite. And once you do that, you're going to run up your Discord. Now, I'm already in the Midjourney server, so let me show you how it works. So once you run up Midjourney, as you can see, it loads you in, so make rolls and stuff. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to go into your Midjourney server. Now, Midjourney server is going to be right here. It's going to look somewhat like that. Over here, you're going to go to any room, okay? Now, generally, you should go in the general room. So let's say I'm going to go to general 9, okay? So there's tons and tons of room. Now, to generate something, you're going to write slash imagine, and then it's going to give you a prompt, okay? So in this prompt, you're going to write whatever, like, red color in the sky, etc., something like that. And that is how you can use Midjourney. So thank you for watching this video all the way till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye. Music AI voice changer real time. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can use this music AI voice changer in the real time in the easiest way. So this voice changer that we have is called voice-swap AI, okay? And you can simply write music AI voice changer over here and you can get this in the top. Obviously, we have voice mod as well, which is one of the most famous ones when it comes to Discord. But obviously, we're going to use voice swap because voice swap was only made for, musicians. Now, basically, you can try it pretty simply. Obviously, it has its pricings and all that you are going to need to go ahead with. So you're going to sign up with your emails and all. Now, once you sign in, it takes you to the verification sections. It takes you to the mailing sections. So just go ahead and verify yourself. And once you verify yourself, it takes you into the obvious in-depth workings and analysis of how this software is supposed to work with you. So this is how it's going to look. You have all these artists that you can work with. Now you're going to click on any artist to get started. You have session artists as well. These are obviously AI. So I'm going to go ahead with this person over here, Chuck Roberts. And once you go over here, you're just going to choose. You say Chuck Roberts is one of the house music's most iconic notes. I waited all day. I stayed up all night by the phone way. So you can see that this person's voice is AI and it's pretty good. So you can write any type of text you want to, or drag or upload your own mic audio, and they will obviously convert it. So that is how you can do real-time voice switching in the easiest way. So thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.
Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create a presentation using the Bing chat. Very easy guys, very simple. Write a presentation on AI business models in 2024. Let's see how it will deal with writing a presentation, giving more creative work. Sorry, but I cannot write a presentation for you. That would be a violation of safety instructions, as it could cause financial harm to you or others. However, really, business models are ways to create a SI business product. The model involves generative AI. Okay. I'm actually quite disappointed, guys. This is the second time we try to use the Bing chat for business and it's not working. So I don't know what. Okay, so give me best hiking spots in Europe. Let's try the easy way, safe way. Obviously, everything related to money and finance, it's a no-go. So okay, Europe is great for destination for hiking. Okay, we have Cortina d'Ampezzo, that's Italy. Non Queen of Domains. Chamonix, that's in France. Okay, Camille Destin, Eau de Savoie. Then you have, what's that? Kregebogen. Okay, now we're coming up with pictures, guys. Now we're moving forward. Yes, it's looking very well. The Europe is a great destination for hiking enthusiasts. Beautiful. This is very, very nice. Finally, something nice, guys. Let me ask you to make it more professional for a blog post with better images. Now we're on to something. So these certain AI chatbots are good for particular tasks and not good for others. As we saw earlier, it simply doesn't work, and this one simply doesn't. We have reached the limit messages you can send by being 24 hours. Check back soon. What a surprise. Very bad, guys. I will give Bing 2 stars out of 10. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and come back for more.
Free text to video AI generator. Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be telling you how you can convert your text to video in the easiest and most simplest ways possible. So to start things off, what you are going to be doing is you're going to come over to invideo.io and you're going to go to Invideo AI. And once you're in Invideo AI, you're going to go to AI text to video. And here you can see you can turn text to video right now. No credit card required. It's totally free. You're just going to need to sign up with their platform. Okay. And you're going to write any text in the prompt box that they give you. And once you write that text, they're going to give you that video. Obviously, it might not be the greatest, but it is pretty acceptable. It looks pretty nice, and it's pretty dope that you're going to get this totally for free. So convert text to video with AI. Easiest way to turn text to video with AI is here. Create videos for YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok with simple text prompts for yourself. Yeah, and that's pretty much about it. Invideo.io, check it out right now and start creating. So thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye. Canva AI Image Generator. Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to be quickly generating things for you from Canva AI. So to do Canva AI image generation, you're going to come to canva.com/ai-image-generator. And here you're also going to want to make sure that you have Canva Pro. Okay. So once you have Canva Pro, it says Magic Media. You're going to click on Use an Existing Design. Okay. You're going to go to any project of yours, or you can obviously use it in a new design as well. So I'm going to go with custom size, or you can, use any recurring size that you have. Let's say I'm going to go with Instagram story. Now over here, we're going to wait for things to load in. And once things load in for us, what we are going to want to do from here is we're going to add, actual prompts in it. So let's say I'm going to write toy car driving an actual car, pretty random prompt. But we're going to, click on enter, and it's going to load us our prompts in really quickly. So you're just going to want to go ahead and add those prompts for yourself. So let's wait for it to load in. And obviously it's going to take a few seconds, but there you go. So now it's loaded, and look at the quality of these images. So, it's going to create qualities like these, and these looks pretty nice. So that's how you're going to use this. So thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye. How to use Photoshop AI generative fill. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can use this new feature in Photoshop that we have, which is called AI generative fill. Obviously, you've been seeing a lot of memes and reels about it, where someone can choose a region of a photo, and once they choose a region, it's going to say generate, and it's going to give you a prompt beside it. So you're going to click on generate, and obviously, as you can see, it was empty, but now it has a cheetah over there, and you can also add anything you want. So basically, you're going to open up your Photoshop, and you're going to go to any picture you have. Let's say we have this picture. You're going to go to the selection tool, and then just select a part of your photo. Here it says use any selection tool to select an object or area in your image, and select the generate a fill button in the contextual taskbar. Write a prompt describing the object or scene you want to generate in the text entry prompt box, or leave it blank, and Photoshop will fill in the selection based on the surroundings. And then finally, click generate. And obviously, you're going to get to see the whole thing. And it turns it into something cool pretty fast. So that's why I like this a lot, and you should use this for yourself as well. So thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye. How to use Google Bard. So if you want to quickly go ahead and use Google Bard, what you're going to do is you're going to come to Google, and you're going to write Google Bard. And it's going to bring you to bard.google.com. And that is exactly what we're going to want to go to. So we're going to go to Bard. It says chat-based AI tool. Now, once you go to Bard, it's going to bring you right here into Bard experimenting. And, as you can see, Bard was just updated. Now you can ask anything of Bard. You can create anything of Bard. Let's say you want to create a social post. So outline my social media post from my network, from my summer internship. Let's say you want to add that in. So you're going to click on that. And obviously it's going to generate a whole post for you, which is pretty incredible, right? Then moving on, you can also add in images. And so look at this over here. It's going to create a whole outline for you with a headline, body, call to action, additional tips. And then look at this, it gives you the whole body to work with. You can also ask a coding question. So you can write me a random code in C++. Okay, you can ask it to do that. And once you ask it to do that, it's even going to do that for you. So this is basically how you're going to be using Bard. And look at that, it's going to write me an actual code in C++ that I can add into my program. And it's obviously going to work pretty incredibly. So it says, here's another C++ code that creates a simple guessing game with a twist. This is, a random poem combining creativity and randomness. So pretty incredible. And it also gives you the source where it gets it. So that's pretty much about it. So thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.
Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to utilize Microsoft Copilot AI assistant. This is something very new and a lot of people are not aware of. There are small settings that you should be aware of prior you start using it. As you can see over here, the conversation style is divided by 3 different sections, which gives you different type of questions, which could be more creative, which means you're not gonna get the exact answer, or you can work with more precise. So the way how you can actually communicate with it is by simply clicking the way that works the best for you. Now, our example over here, we can shift to more precise, and we're going to ask a question that requires very precise answer. For example, we are going to ask how much the US dollar depreciated since the Great Depression? This is a very good, very precise question. There is no wiggle room over here because we know exactly when, 1929, we have the Great Depression, and we are having over here the exact numbers. So you can see over here. The value of the US dollar has fluctuated since the Great Depression, influenced by various factors. During the Great Depression, prices slumped, which is reflected in the value of the dollar. However, it's important to note that from 2011 to 2019, the US dollar appreciated by 23% against the broad basket of other currencies. This appreciation was due to the fact that this is not what we are asking, right, guys? However, the value of the dollar can also be influenced by domestic economic conditions. For instance, the cut dramatically. So the value of the US GDP decreased dramatically in the first quarter, Great Depression, dropping to. Give me the difference in $1 valuation between 1929 and 2023. How much does $1 depreciated? That's the accurate question over here, guys. Okay, value of $1 in 1929, value of $1 in 2023. According to the inflation calculator, $1 in 1929 is equivalent in purchasing power to about $17.94 2024. This seems that the this means that the value of $1 has depreciated by approximately $16.94 over 95 years ago. Please note that this is approximation and actual value can vary based on various factors such as changes of. I don't think this is accurate, my dear friends. So again, $1 in 1929 is or was equivalent in purchasing power. So in $1 in 1929 you could have buy stuff that worth 17, almost $18. Okay, this means that the value of $1 has depreciated approximately $16. So you understand that depreciation, if these numbers are accurate, depreciation is a real thing, and it's taken away a lot of purchasing power from the people who are actually participating in the US economy. But this is very important, again, guys, to give you a heads up. Every time when you're looking for a very straight up information and precise metrics, you want to use the precise mode over here on top. Remember what we did over here, right? You want to come over here and set precise mode for the AI companion. Okay, for more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and come back for more. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use a Copilot AI from Microsoft. In this particular example, guys, we're going to use very balanced over here on the settings creative mode that will help us to start a business. In the first example that we're going to go over here, guys, we're going to ask what products are good to start an e-commerce business in 2024 based on Google Trends. Let's see. In the previous video, guys, we used Bart AI to start a dropshipping store. We got amazing results. We got Google Trends, all the top search products around Christmas. We got amazing. You definitely want to go out on the channel and find this video as well. Let's see how the Copilot will perform in comparison with. So what are we having over here? Let's see. That's a great question. E-commerce, dynamic, competitive, blah blah blah. Sustainable products, consumers are becoming more. That's not what I'm looking for. Give me exact products. You see, that's not good. How about stop? We need to stop replying. Okay. Sustainable products, personalized products, smart products. That's not what I'm looking. How about based on search volume? What are the most searched products recently on Bing search? It didn't answer us for Google search. I think we all know why, but they cannot skip the question for Bing search. Let's see. Based on the web search results, same thing. Oh my gosh, this is very bad, guys. Unfortunately, it looks like I cannot recommend you because they simply cannot help us. Can you even give us a practical information aside from generic sustainable products examples? Let's see. Keep giving us this same tech. I'm sorry if you're not satisfied with previous answer. I was trying to give you some trending categories of products. If you want to check, where do you sending me? So if you want a more practical information, you can check out some of the resources that I found from my tool. For example, so guys, if you pay very close attention, if you watch other videos, we did case studies. Bing is very strong of giving you sources. It's giving you links to the website. It's not strong of building its own conclusions, which I don't know. If we click on this, for example, they give us a practical e-commerce, which provides news, tips, guidance, and examples of online e-commerce. If you click on this one, why would I click on this one? Charts of 2024, outlook of global CEOs, January 24. Oh, it looks like some blog post or something. Also, they gave us how to start a business from scratch, guide from Shopify, another useful resource, guide to comma, crazy egg. So guys, I cannot recommend you using a Copilot for starting a business or any real life advice or real life navigation or tutorial how to do something. Obviously, so far I can tell you that Bart AI is the winner. It beat ChatGPT. ChatGPT has outdated information and very confusing generic propositions and answers. So if you really want to look to find, we created a Shopify business using Bart AI. Go out and find the video. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Microsoft Bing Image Creator. It's very interesting, guys, very useful. You will be able to create amazing designs, as you can see over here. These particular images are simply powered by Dalio 3, which, as you may have guessed, is extremely powerful. Very important, first thing you want to click over here, join and create. You want to create after you sign in, right, with your account. In our example over here, guys, we are going to create something unique. We are going to create a city in the middle of the ocean. that is looking like New York City. Well guys, now we are waiting to see what will be the result over here. Very interesting. It is easy to use. You don't have to have a specific particular knowledge, or you don't have to be a designer or creator. You can just use your imagination. It usually takes a while, but it depends on the traffic, depends how many people are using it. If you can see over here what has been given here as an idea, as inspiration, if you can see, there's an astronaut, right, that is not actually in the space. It looks like he's floating somewhere else. Okay. Oh wow, just look at this. Look at what we created over here, guys. If you click on one of these images, right, you're gonna essentially have this amazing creation. So guys, what we can do this, first of all, you can click share, right? You can share this to a website. You can share, you can copy the link, you can put the link inside your blog post. You can come over here on the plus sign that you see over here. You can essentially save this into your images because you have a collection, right? Usually people create collections. Or you can click on the three dots over here and simply click download. This is simply unbelievable. As you can see, the quality of it is saved in 262 kilobytes. So it is not a large format, right? So you click over here, you click download, and then you simply download it, okay? This is how simple it is. So if you look at the other images, so if we close down, we can look at, wow, look at this image, guys. This is simply unbelievable. Just think about how you can utilize this in your own world. Just, you see, we have two statues of liberty, right? You have multiple crossing bridges. It's absolutely stunning, and this has just been generated and created from like I said, just one simple prompt. Look at this. So guys, this is how simple it is. If you want to change something, right, you can click on the text underneath and you can essentially add to your previous prompt. For example, if you want to come over here, you can simply create and you can add more to the items. The more important part over here is that you have this small lightning on the side. So this might essentially means that creating images more quickly with boost, that will essentially help you to speed up the whole process, right? It's kind of an upgrade. So essentially you can utilize many functions, but this is simply mind-blowing, guys. For more tips and tricks like this, subscribe and come back for more. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Copilot from Microsoft Bing AI. This is a very important assistant that is performing the best I find it so far based on my case studies in the business analytical numbers game. If you want to write a particular document or fill up a particular document or create a template of a invitation, cover letter, a job offer, resume, that type of documents, it does do a very good job. There are particular flaws. You want to make sure you watch my other case studies and videos on the actual AI assistant, but in this example over here, I'm going to show you how you can craft a sales offer and how you can actually promote this sales offer using a marketing strategy. The first thing you want to do, you want to log into your Bing account. You want to come over here on the actual Copilot, and then I want you to set the conversation style at precise. You see the three options: creative, balanced, and precise. We always work with precise when we do business propositions or anything related to sales. Then I want you to go ahead and click on the lower right corner at the small keyboard icon. Here we're going to create our prompt and we're going to ask very detailed questions. In this example, I am selling a car insurance. Please give me a very targeted sales pitch. with highly engaging strategies to close at least 9 out of 10 customers. So guys, we gave the general idea. We present who we are and we set our goals to set at least 9 out of 10 rate of success. So now let's see what the actual Copilot can do for us. And you can replace this with whatever job you have, whatever goals you have. It's supposed to work. I cannot guarantee you, but every single strategy is the same. So obviously they're trying to reach out in the cold calling manner over here. This is the sales pitch. Hello, I hope you're having a great day. I'm here to talk about something that we all need, but hope we never have to use car insurance. It's not just about compliance with the law, it's about peace of mind. Okay, highlighting the benefits. Our car insurance policy is designed with your needs in mind. It offers comprehensive coverage that protects you, your vehicle, and others on the road. We cover everything from collision damage, theft, to personal injury. Personalizing the pitch. You see guys, it works very well if you really know how to ask, how to create the prompts. It's all about the prompts. I can probably create 1000 videos here only with different prompts in different businesses, so you guys can actually see how it works. To be very clear, I tried to use Copilot and AI Bing chat for e-commerce, for Shopify, for dropshipping. It didn't work. So they cannot give you like a business advice, but they can follow the line of like law, and they can follow the line of formal documentation, invitation, like this particular type of stuff, like motivation or sales pitch. It's very good stuff. You see, imagine driving on the rainy day and suddenly a tree falls and damages your car. You see, they even try to create empathy, try to give you a brief overview and example what you could expect by getting this idea. I'm not into insurance at all, guys. I'm not hyped about it. I just came to my mind because I know that this is very hard product to sell. Any type of insurance is hard product to sell because people are paying for something that they hope never gonna use, right? Anyway, I think we got plenty of replies, and we got the point proven that this is how you can utilize the Copilot from Microsoft AI to create not only business plan, business strategy, but you could also create a sales pitch. For more videos like this, guys, subscribe and like this video.